Are you feeling overwhelmed or stressed? You're not alone. Mental health affects us all. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It reflects how we think, feel, and act. It influences how we handle stress and relate to others. Good mental health is essential for happiness. Poor mental health can lead to serious conditions. Let's explore how to improve your mental health step by step. First, recognize your feelings. Identify what you're experiencing. This awareness is the first step to seeking help. Second, build a support system. Connect with friends and family. Sharing your feelings eases burdens and provides comfort. Next, incorporate self-care. Engage in activities you enjoy. Hobbies and exercise boost your mood and reduce stress. Consider mindfulness practices. Techniques like meditation and deep breathing calm your mind. They help you focus on the present moment. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists and counselors offer valuable support. They can help you navigate your mental health journey. For example, imagine you're feeling anxious about work. You share your feelings with a friend. They listen and offer support, helping you feel less alone. This simple act can make a big difference. In summary, mental health is vital for a fulfilling life. Acknowledge your feelings, nurture your support system, and practice self-care. Remember, it's okay to seek help when needed. Take action today. Share this video, connect with a friend, or explore self-care options. Let's prioritize mental health together. Mental health is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in our day-to-day lives. Many people struggle silently, believing they must bear their burdens alone. However, recognizing that seeking help is not a sign of weakness can be liberating. Consider the power of open conversations about mental wellness. They can create bonds and foster understanding among friends and family. When we speak about our experiences and feelings, we not only validate our own emotions but also encourage others to share their struggles. Through these exchanges, we build empathy and resilience within our communities, ultimately enhancing our collective mental health. It's important to remember that every small step counts in the journey toward better mental health. Engaging in honest discussions can inspire others to open up as well. By sharing our stories, we empower one another and help break the stigma surrounding mental health issues. Each conversation can lead to new solutions and coping mechanisms, providing relief from the weight of our worries. Seeking support, whether through friends, family, or professionals, reinforces that we are not alone in our challenges. The path to healing may not be smooth, but with collective effort and understanding, we can foster a nurturing environment for everyone. Take a moment to reflect on the power of connection. When you reach out to someone, you cultivate an atmosphere of trust and support that benefits both parties involved. Simple actions, like a text, a phone call, or a coffee date, can transform how you feel about your situation. Being vulnerable with someone you care about can lead to deeper conversations, where you can express your worries and fears openly. This exchange not only lightens your emotional load but may also reveal that others share similar experiences. Thus, each act of reaching out empowers not just yourself but also encourages those around you to seek support when they need it. In conclusion, embracing our mental health journey together allows us to cultivate a supportive community. By acknowledging our struggles and extending a hand to others, we can foster resilience and compassion, ensuring that everyone feels valued and understood. Prioritizing mental health creates a brighter future for all of us.